Whether you're designing buildings, products, parts, or layouts, you want to make more quickly and with less negative impact on the planet. And there's no doubt that automation is changing how we work and what we're capable of doing. The AutoCAD team here at Autodesk is at the forefront of this movement, enabling you, the architects, engineers, and designers, to work smarter by continuously improving our software. We take an enormous amount of pride in helping our subscribers design better outcomes, and we can't wait to see how automation included in AutoCAD can boost your productivity in the process.
We're excited to share with you some of the latest innovations that have been designed based on your direct input to help you do more, no matter where you work. When you subscribe to AutoCAD LT, not only do you get the newest software with powerful performance updates, you can access AutoCAD on virtually any device with our state-of-the-art AutoCAD web and mobile apps to view and edit your drawings in real time, in the field and on the go.
Part of being a modern, connected product means giving you access to your data, no matter where it's stored. You can trust Autodesk to handle your DWGs and their associated XREFs using the Save to Web and Mobile feature. We also know that you like to use other cloud storage providers as part of your workflow, so we've worked to build partnerships with the leading cloud storage companies. So now you can enjoy a seamless experience, whether you store your data on an Autodesk platform or save your designs to Dropbox, Box, OneDrive, or now Google Drive.
Our newest release, AutoCAD LT 2021, enables you to stay connected to your blocked content anytime, anywhere. Find, preview, and insert blocks from the Libraries tab from the AutoCAD desktop app or within our web app. With the new Drawing History feature, get automatic insights right within the canvas to see the evolution of your work. We're using the Drawing Compare technology to make it easier to understand not only the delta between two drawings, but the changes to one drawing over time. Compare and see the changes made to a drawing that's been attached as an external reference, or XREF, to your current drawing.
With AutoCAD LT, you have seamless access across desktop, web, and mobile to enable you to effectively design better outcomes. We're excited to see how you use AutoCAD LT to make anything.